used to be you'd send an email 20 years ago and you'd pick up the phone an hour later, did you get my email yet? Did you get my email? Now you're sending data across the internet, across the world, and without any perceivable delay, back and forth, back and forth. No day goes by without you feeling that.
If you look across the spectrum of technology that influences modern life, you'll see electrical engineering at its core.
The iPhone is a very good example of that. Anything from hardware design, the circuit design, the chip that goes into the iPhone, to the software that actually does the signal processing. These are all things that electrical engineers came up with.
So smartphones are very exciting objects in the sense that we can communicate a lot more information, but I can now also think of the smartphone as a computing device for other things. For example, in this wireless body area sensing project, we have the cell phone collect signals from sensors and do computation on board the phone to make decisions about what a person is doing. I can't think of anything on there that's not touched by an electrical engineer.
Where does optics and photonics come into a wireless phone? Well, of course, there's the screen, there's the camera, there's a microprocessor inside the phone. That was made by optical lithography. Let's assume you wanted to do a search for something. That goes wirelessly, but when it gets into the ground, it has to go through the optical fiber communication system to go to a data center. The data center could have more than 1 million lasers in there to have high-speed interconnections between the servers in the data center. All of that is happening because of optics and photonics. It excites, it inspires my students. Anything that they do has the potential to have great impact.
There's a lot that has been done, but there's so much more that can be done, and a lot of it does come from the melding of hardware and software. So if you really want to build something that will shape an industry, electrical engineering really is the place to go.
The special thing about Los Angeles is sort of the collision of these creative minds and the technical minds to be sort of the left-right brains all working together, both within the same person but across people too. And that USC electrical engineering is playing a very central role.
If you want to be incrementally better, be competitive. If you want to be exponentially better, be cooperative. That is the mantra of the Ningxie Department of Electrical Engineering.